Okay, now that you know how to put basic text into your website, I'm going to show you how to customize this text. First, let's delete what we wrote out. You can write anything you want. I'm going to write, this is just a test. After I do that, I can go to, let's say I want to put it in the center of the page. I'll use the greater sign and type in center. And then you must close it. So you enter a slash center. Let's save this as 002.html. Go to preview. See, that is how you put it in the center of the page. Now, let's say I want to change the font. You do the same thing like center. You put font, and then you put face. You always put font face to change the font. And you put equal sign, and then the quotations, and then you type in the name of the font. You can use any font you like. I will use Comic Sans MS. Then you close it with quotations, and then the Leslie sign, and then you close it by just typing /font. And let's save this. Let's go back to open it. See, and I can see it, the font changed. Now let's say you want to do the color. Instead of doing the whole font, you just add it and you do color. The font tag is really useful because you can add many things into it without having to close it. And you do the same thing, you close it equal. Honestly, I like blue, so I'll put blue. And I'll save it. And I'll refresh, and now it's blue. But let's say I want to change the size. I just do size, and let's say I want to do 5. And then I'll save it. Now refresh. There you go. The sizes aren't like 12. The lower the number, the bigger it is. So if you do, I'm sorry, the smaller it is. That's what I meant. Yeah. So if you do like a 10, it's not gonna be, you know, really like a 10 font. It's gonna be huge like this. But let's just say I'm gonna put it back to default. So I'm just gonna delete this, and I'm gonna teach you how to make your. Let's say this is the title of your website. You put H1. The lower the number, the bigger. And then you just type in /H, and then we'll save it. Press refresh. See, this is the to make your title bigger. But if you use a bigger one, like a bigger number, the title will not be as big. So I use 3, and then you save it. And I refresh. It got smaller. So basically, you always have to close your tags. You put. I like to do center first to make everything in the center. You of course can use like left or right. I like to use center. And then the font tag is really useful because you can use so many different types of tags into it. Like to change the text, you just type face and then you do it equal, and then you quotation mark and then enter the name and close with quotation marks, and then space, and then you can put basically color or size or anything really. and then you just do that by closing font. And then to make your title bigger, I just like H1 to 5. I like to use 1 because it's a good size. Um, so yes, that should be it for this tutorial.